Are you suffering from bloating, fatigue, irritability, hair loss, mood swings, anxiety or depression, headaches, acne, or irregular periods? Or have you noticed that now or lately you're more forgetful? Or did you put on some extra pounds without eating extra food and now you're having a hard time getting rid of the extra weight? Here's one. Do you find yourself having more sugar cravings, but you can't turn away from the sugar? If you can relate to any of the symptoms that I just mentioned, it could be that your hormones are out of balance. We all know that we have hormones, but do we know what they do for our bodies? Today, I will share some facts about your hormones and then show you how to make a delicious, healthy juice to help your hormones get back on track. Hormones help your cells to communicate and take action. In addition, they support your body's endocrine system, which governs growth and development, reproduction, metabolism, temperature, and even your mood. The endocrine system and hormones keep your body in a state of homeostasis, which is a state of balance. And because of this, having too little or too much of a certain hormone, a hormone imbalance, can cause health issues. Now, one of the main factors that can cause a hormonal imbalance is the condition of your gut. When gut health isn't optimal, hormones become imbalanced. So to fix your hormones, we need to fix your gut. Your gut plays a major role in your health, your immune system, your brain, your hormones, and your mental health. Your gut contains trillions of microscopic organisms known as the microbiome. And this microbiome is a community of microorganisms that live in your gut digestive tract and on your skin. Within your digestive tract, you have different strands of bacteria, yeast, and fungi that all coexist. And they all have a job to do that benefits your health and your well-being. Growing evidence and studies show that the bacteria that live in your gut affect your hormones. Research shows that the microbiota regulates estrogen. Studies also show that poor gut health raises the risk of estrogen-related disorders such as PCOS, endometriosis, and breast cancer. Eating a wide variety of nutrient-dense foods that are rich in quality protein, fat, and fiber will provide your body with the raw materials it needs to produce healthy hormones, as well as improve digestion, regulate blood sugar, increase beneficial gut bacteria, and get rid of toxins more efficiently. So here's the problem. Many people find it difficult to get the recommended amount of fruits and vegetables into their daily diet. But here's the solution: juicing. Juicing can be a convenient way to increase your intake of most of your needed nutrients your body must have. So supplementing with fresh juice made from fruits and vegetables is such a healthy way to get nutrients into your body faster. And that's because your body absorbs up to 90% more nutrients in liquid form. And this goes straight into your bloodstream, while solid foods needs more time to digest and process. Now, juicing is not, you hear me, juicing is not a substitute for eating meals. We still need to eat food. We still need to feed our body other forms of fiber, fat, and protein. Therefore, juicing should be utilized as a dietary supplement. So are you ready to make this hormone balancing drink that will give you energy while helping your gut and hormones get better? I'm ready to show you, so let's go. We're using celery, beets, cucumber, radish, and apple. So first we have to clean our fruits and veggies, and I'm going to be using a food grade hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. When you put this solution together, it becomes an amazing cleaner and detoxifier for our fruits and vegetables. It gets off pesticides and things that we normally can't see. Take a look at this before and after picture. Look at the difference. Look how dirty the water is in the after. So this is a must to clean your fruits and veggies. Celery is a powerful antioxidant that protects the entire digestive system. Its alkalizing effect neutralizes stomach acid. It reduces inflammation. It balances your body's pH level and blood sugar levels. It's rich in fiber, lowers cholesterol, and most importantly, it helps give the hardest working organ in your body, your liver, a tune-up and oil change. We're going to use up to 5 stalks of celery. Next, we're using beets. The fiber in beets travels to the colon where it feeds the friendly gut bacteria. The plant-based nitrates in beets convert to nitric oxide to improve brain function, restore energy, regulate blood pressure, and improve erectile dysfunction. Many of the compounds found in beets have cancer-fighting properties. Then we're going to add 1 whole cucumber. Its anti-inflammatory properties promote digestion, flushes out toxin, aids in weight loss, fights cancer, helps your kidneys, controls blood pressure, and relieves joint pain. Next, we'll add 1 radish. Radishes may not be the most popular vegetable, but they are definitely one of the healthiest. Studies show that the isothionates in the radish help purge the body of cancer-causing substances. It is known to fight several cancers, such as stomach, intestinal, colon, and kidney cancer. Radishes are a natural antifungal that is known to destroy candida. It's very rich in vitamin C. It reduces blood pressure, and the most appreciated is its ability to improve the immune system, and it also keeps the body hydrated. Last but not least is the apple. The apple by far is powerful. The pectin in apples is the prebiotics your gut needs to feed your good bacteria. When we juice all of these magnificent foods together, we get a dynamic health drink that strengthens the mucosal lining of your gut. And a strong mucosal lining protects your stomach and intestines against unfriendly microorganisms and damaging toxins that can hurt your body and cause inflammation. Drink this once a day, and your gut and hormones will thank you. That's good. Getting a gut health test is the first step to understanding your gut microbes and your body. It's easy, and you can order a kit online from a very reputable medical lab. So please check the description box below for my recommendations. Now, once you get your results back, if you need further help, you can contact me, and I can develop for you a comprehensive gut health plan. I hope this helped, and enjoy that juice.